Organic curves, intricate details and precious materials. Maison Perrier-Jouët celebrates its Art Nouveau legacy in the historic Maison Belle Époque, which directly inspired Éditions VOLUTES. This masterpiece embodies the unique encounter of art, nature and craftsmanship and has been exclusively created for the prestigious Perrier-Jouët Belle Époque cuvée. It's a dazzling demonstration of artisanal savoir-faire by the embroiderer Atelier Montex, part of the Chanel Maison d'Art since 2011. Éditions VOLUTES is embroidered with flowers and leaves that appear to swirl around the champagne bottle. Employing the materials and techniques of haute couture, each piece of art has been hand-embroidered for 160 hours, requiring 8,000 beads and sequins and 70 crystal set stones. Wood and 24-karat gold compose the structure, which intertwines with traditional techniques of needle embroidery and luneville hook, interpreting in 3 dimensions the emblematic blossoming anemones. Éditions VOLUTES is the latest incarnation of the Maison Perrier-Jouët Objets Extraordinaires collection.